So now let's see how we can work around with shape corners and deepness inside of VistaCreate projects. So for that, I'm going to go around under objects and go to shapes right here and bring in a shape that I want to work with, like the star right here. So about the shape corner and deepness, not every shape supports it. So over here, there's a star. You do have the corner option and deepness option right here. But for different shapes right here like these, if I were to bring it in, you don't see the same options. So it is only an option for certain shapes right here, especially the simple shapes and not the other shapes that you see right here. So there's a star shape right here. Let me just go around and change its color to something like green. And then over here, let's just go on to the corner section. So over here, you can go around, increase out the corners, and you can see that the number of corners for this particular shape can be increased or decreased right here, like 3 and 9 and so forth. And you can work around with the deepness of the shape as well and get the shape that you want. Let's say, for example, if the deepness is, let's say, 100, you can go around, change around the corner to 4, and it becomes a square, as you can see right here. You can decrease it out to make a triangle right here and increase it out to make different shapes right here and change the deepness to give it a star look. So if I were to go around over here onto objects and bring in, let's say, for example, this oval shape right here, then there is no option, as you can see, because for oval or circle shapes, as you can see right here, there is no corners or deepness to it. But if I were to go around and bring in this triangle right here, then you can see this option and you can go around, change around the corners and deepness, as you can see right here. So the square and the triangles or star that you see right here and any other shapes with multiple sides is the same as this shape, as you can go around and change around the corners and the deepness according to how you want right here. And that is how you can work around with shape corners and deepness inside of a VistaCreate project. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe